Hi everyone, welcome to the 275th episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Shrestha, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 5th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This program is brought to you by Uptown Siliguri, a premium girls hostel, just 5 minutes from Salesian College. Contact 912-70-62606. The headlines this week: Freshers welcomed with 3-day orientation program. Salesian Cadet Science in Russia NCC lecture inspires campus. Bachelor of Philosophy program inaugurated. Regional Superior ends extraordinary visitation. Campus resonates with energy on Yoga Day. College marks 125th birth anniversary of Nationalist S.P. Mukherjee. The news in detail. Siliguri. Freshers welcomed with 3-day orientation program. Anweysha Biswakarma, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 3rd semester, reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri inaugurated its academic year 2026-27 on 15th July with a 3-day orientation program for some 450 first-semester students. The degree level sessions opened with ice-breaking activities and faculty introductions, followed by a short film on Don Bosco and a guided campus tour to acquaint students with facilities and resources. Day 2 focused on the curriculum framework, examination system, and ERP platform, leading into departmental orientations where freshers met faculty and peers in their core subjects. On the final day, students explored college cells, associations, seniors introduced opportunities in NCC, NSS, sports, radio club, and the entrepreneurship development cell, fostering early engagement in campus life. Parallel orientation sessions were also conducted for parents of freshers, ensuring a holistic welcome to the Salesian community.
Anweysha Biswakarma reporting. Siliguri. Salesian Cadet Science in Russia NCC lecture inspires campus. Surabhi Pradhan, Department of Physics, 3rd semester, reports.
Salesian College Autonomous Siliguri celebrated the achievement of Senior Under Officer Cadet Adwiteeya, a political science student who successfully completed the prestigious youth exchange program in Russia. Selected as one of only 10 cadets from across India, Samdan was the sole representative from Sikkim and West Bengal, bringing honor to the college and its NCC unit. He was felicitated during the morning assembly on 17 July 2026. On the same day, the college hosted a motivational lecture on the National Cadet Corps led by Colonel Rajesh Makar, commanding officer of NCCB Company, 16 Bengal Battalion, Siliguri. The session inspired students to embrace discipline, leadership, patriotism, and service to the nation, reinforcing the NCC's role in shaping responsible citizens.
Surabhi Pradhan reporting. Sonada. Bachelor of Philosophy program inaugurated. Natisha, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 3rd semester, reports.
On 15th of June 2026, the Bachelor of Philosophy program at Salesian College Autonomous Sonada formally inaugurated the academic year 2026-27 with a solemn Holy Eucharistic celebration presided over by His Lordship Right Reverend Bishop Edward Barreto, Coadjutor Bishop of the Darjeeling Sikkim Diocese. The Eucharistic celebration provided a meaningful spiritual foundation for the new academic year, invoking God's blessings upon the students, faculty members, and the entire Salesian community. The inaugural function was emceed by Brother Meban Dajit Thank You, who warmly welcomed the gathering in the Kalingal AV Hall. A hymn to the Holy Spirit rendered by the brothers created a prayerful atmosphere and set the tone for the occasion. This was followed by the felicitation of the dignitaries and the traditional lighting of the lamp. In his welcome address, Father Johnny Nedungat, rector of Salesian College Autonomous Sonada, expressed his gratitude to His Lordship Bishop Edward Barreto, for gracing the occasion and highlighted the significance of philosophy, inquiry, and intellectual formation in today's rapidly evolving world. A key highlight of the program was the presentation of the Departmental Annual Report by Father Dr. C.J. Matthew, Vice Rector and Head of the Department of Philosophy. The report showcased the department's major academic achievements, activities, and milestones accomplished during the previous academic year. The program was further enriched by a choir performance by the brothers, followed by a thought-provoking keynote lecture delivered by Brother Abhishek Rai on Paulo Freire, Philosophy of Education. The presentation explored Freire's vision of education as a pathway to freedom, critical awareness, creativity, and social responsibility. In his presidential address, His Lordship Bishop Edward Barreto emphasized the foundational role of philosophy in theological studies and priestly formation, encouraging students to cultivate logical reasonings and critical analysis. He urged them to pursue holistic growth encompassing the human, spiritual, and intellectual dimensions of life. The program concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Brother Ashit Minj, who expressed sincere appreciation to all those who contributed to the success of the event. The gathering then proceeded with a fellowship lunch, bringing the celebration to a joyful close. The inauguration marked a promising beginning to the new academic year, inspiring students to pursue wisdom, truth, and academic excellence with renewed enthusiasm, dedication, and a deeper commitment to the philosophical formation.
Natisha Rai reporting.
Hey guys, can I ask you something? When was the last 1-minute video that stayed with you long even after it ended? It's not about expensive camera, it's not about crazy effect, but it's definitely about an incredible story. And at our radio club, I believe every creator has something or the other to say and express a wonderful story. And sometimes all you need a 60 second. So here's your challenge. Create a video of 60 seconds or less. No time limit, no fixed genre. It can be action, animation, comedy, travel, anything you like. But it should speak a story. It belongs here. Win exciting prizes like Spotify Premiumship, Canva Pro, official certificates, and also get a chance to feature in our media platforms. Yes, we are not searching for expensive edit, but we are searching for an incredible story that people cannot forget. So, your times begin now. 60 seconds, Infinity Stories. Hurry up.
You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Sonada, Darjeeling. Sonada, Regional Superior ends extraordinary visitation. Shrawan Shrestha, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 3rd semester, reports.
As part of his visit to Salesian College Autonomous Sonada, Reverend Father Biju Michael, General Consular for the South Asia region, interacted with faculty members, office staff, support staff, and students through a series of sessions focused on strengthening the institution's educational mission and Salesian values. On 18 of June 2026, a meeting was conducted with members of the teaching and administrative community. The program began with opening remarks by Mr. Manoresh Thapa, HOD of the Department of BCom, followed by a welcome address by the Father Rector Johnny Nedungat, who highlighted the significance of the visit and its contribution to the institution's commitment to quality education and the Salesian mission. Delivering the keynote session on the educative system, Don Bosco's preventive system, Reverend Father Biju Michael emphasized that Salesian education is founded on loving kindness and that education is fundamentally a matter of the heart. He stressed the importance of making students feel valued and recognized, noting that educators play a vital role in shaping identities and nurturing individuals who can become agents of positive change in society. The keynote session was followed by an interactive sharing and discussion segment involving representatives from the Department of English, History, Political Science, Sociology, Mass Communication, BCA and Commerce, along with Radio Salesian, the Office Administration, the Library Section, Salesian Television, and the Research and Publication Cell. The interaction provided a platform for dialogue, collaboration, and reflection on matters related to academic and institutional development. As part of his visit, Reverend Father Biju Michael also addressed students during a special assembly held on 19 June 2026. He reflected on the transformative role of education in shaping young minds and emphasized the importance of personal growth, values, and character formation. Encouraging students to make the most of their educational journey, he urged them to become responsible, compassionate, and value-driven individuals capable of contributing positively to society. The visit concluded with a renewed commitment to Don Bosco's vision of holistic education, inspiring both faculty and students to continue fostering a culture of care, recognition, responsibility, and service.
Shrawan Shrestha reporting. Sonada, campus resonates with energy on Yoga Day. Adwiteeya Sara Roy, Mass Communication and Journalism Department, 3rd semester, reports.
On 19th of June 2026, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada observed International Yoga Day with great enthusiasm, bringing together students, faculty members, and office staffs in a celebration of health, wellness, and mindfulness. The program began on a warm and welcoming note with Ms. Isha Chetri, the Master of Ceremony, greeting the gathering and setting the tone for the day's observance. An invocation prayer led by Father Pritham Barla, the campus minister, followed, invoking blessings for the successful conduct of the event. The occasion was further marked by the ceremonial felicitation of the resource person, Mr. Rasik Chetri, who was honored with the traditional khada by Father Barla in recognition of his presence and contribution to the program. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Chetri spoke about significance of yoga in promoting physical health, mental well-being, and emotional balance. He highlighted the growing relevance of yoga in present-day life and encouraged participants to incorporate its practices into their daily routines. The practical sessions commenced with breathing exercises aimed at developing awareness of breath and lung movement. Participants were then guided through a series of yogic practices including Upayoga, Tadasana, coordinated hand movements with breathing techniques, directional movements, neck exercises, yoga namaskar, balasana, and other traditional yoga postures. The session concluded with pranayama and meditation, allowing participants to experience a sense of relaxation, mindfulness, and inner calm. Towards the end of the program, Vice Principal Dr. Terence Mukhia addressed the gathering and emphasized the importance of adopting a healthy lifestyle through the regular practice of yoga. The event concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Ms. Sweta Chetri, who expressed gratitude to the resource person, organizers, and participants for making the observance of International Yoga Day a meaningful and enriching experience.
Adwiteeya Sara Roy reporting. Sonada, college marks 125th birth anniversary of Nationalist S.P. Mukherjee. William Orea, Department of English, 7th semester, reports.
On 6th of July 2026, Salesian College Autonomous Sonada commemorated the 125th birth anniversary of the eminent statesman, educationist, and visionary leader Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee with a solemn program held at Kalingal AV Hall. The program began with an invocation prayer led by campus minister Father Pritham Barla, setting a reflective atmosphere for the occasion. The highlight of the event was an insightful PowerPoint presentation delivered by Dr. Terence Mukhia, Vice Principal of the college. Through his presentation, Dr. Mukhia traced the life and legacy of Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, highlighting his formative years, remarkable academic achievements, significant contributions to higher education, and his enduring influence on Indian politics and nation building. The presentation offered students a deeper understanding of Dr. Mukherjee's vision, leadership, and lasting contribution to the country. The program was attended by members of the college administration and students. Among those present was Father Bernard Mardy, SDB, Dean of Philosophy, whose presence added significance to the occasion. The event concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Abhigya Ashish Gotraj, who expressed sincere appreciation to the college management, the speaker, and all those involved in organizing the program. The celebration served as a meaningful tribute to the life and ideals of Dr. Shyam Prasad Mukherjee, inspiring the college community to reflect on his vision and service to the nation.
William Orea reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This program was brought to you by Uptown Siliguri, a premium girls hostel just 5 minutes from Salesian College. Contact 91270 62606. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.